Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here. Today I'm out having fun in this Dodge Charger. This is a Daytona edition. Boy, is it an awesome car. Under 37,000 miles. It's a 2017 and someone has babied this. This is a local trade. Customer actually just bought similar color in a brand new Challenger that they ordered. So this does have the 5.7 Hemi in it and a lot of cool features I'm excited to show you. So let's start with the review. So you got to start the review on this car underneath the hood. It's got the 5.7 liter V8, very clean under here as you can see. Cold air intake, functional hood scoop up here. Got your Hemi graphic on the center here in matte black, and then matte black top of the roof. All looks really good up here. It's got a lot of nice safety features on it too. Lane assist, blind spot, forward collision warning, that good stuff. Headlights are clear, fog lights look good down low. Check out these wheels and tire setup here. These are 20-inch wheels wrapped in Goodyear Eagle tires. Now I saw the date on the tire. They're pretty much brand new tires, just put on last year, 36th week of 2021. It's got this little orange, it's right on the rim actually. It's not part of the tire, but it almost looks like it's part of the tire. Just kind of dresses up the tire a little bit and goes with that Go Mango exterior color that we see here. Exterior looks super good shape. Painted and matched door handles. The seating in these is going to be Nappa leather trimmed. Got stitching in there that's nice, and then Alcantara inserts. The Alcantara is actually a race design fabric that's going to help you grip to the seat. You don't tend to get hot in these seats. It's designed for a race car to be in that car, you know, all day on a hot day, and they don't put air conditioning in them cars, so it's a nice seat that they use there. Heated seats back here in the perimeter. Back just looks immaculate. Look at the detail in the door panel here. Coming around here, we got dual exhaust, and it sounds good just idling, but it really sounds good when you punch it. Backup sensors in the rear bumper here. Does have the spoiler in the matte black, and then top of the trunk lid in the matte black. As we get in here, got the big trunk, Beats subwoofer back here. A little bit of tint to that back window, and it's also the defrosting, electronic defrosting rear window. A little bit of tint on the side windows here, as you can see as well. This really looks clean. I don't see any negatives on the outside. I do want to mention financing is available on this, so if you're interested in that, I'll post a quick link for you down below. So just check that out in the comments, description, what have you. As we come in, same type of seat up here. And notice up here, the Alcantara has got little perforations in it. That allows for the vented seat to work on this, so you actually get cool air on your tush up front in the driver and passenger area, which really feels good on today, because it's 91 degrees out here today. All right, let's just give a brief overview, and then we'll jump into some more specifics. It's got, starting on the left here, it's got programmable seats for up to 2 drivers. So if you got a couple drivers and you're particular where you like your seat, that's always nice to program that in. Power mirrors, power windows and locks, automatic headlights off to the right here. You got your trunk release, steering wheel, leather wrapped, comfortable, got nice spots to grip it, paddle shifters up here on it. Behind here is volume and tuning for your radio, and then here you're going to have hands-free connectivity, and on this side you have cruise control, and then below that you have your adaptive cruise control. Another nice feature there to have that adaptive cruise control. So it's got 36,742 miles on it. No warning lights on the dash. As you can see, all that looks good. Over here does have your touchscreen radio. This is the 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. I'm going to go ahead and put it in reverse, and we'll check out the backup camera, show you how that's working. Nice big screen there, and it looks really good. And then it does have AM, FM, and Sirius XM media control, where you can do a USB, aux port, Bluetooth. Has your climate controls as well, and then you can also get into your heated seat, vented seat controls right there. It's got mirror dimmer and all that on it, so fully loaded and well equipped. here is your radio controls, and also this has lane assist, and it is a super track package there on the radio, and with the suspension and things like that. Down through here you have your heat and air conditioning controls, and then you also have automatic transmission. I believe it's 8 speeds in these with manual shifting option down there in the M mode. A keyless entry with truck release and automatic start, or remote start I should say. Beverage holders. You can slide your phone in there too if you don't put a big bulky case on your phone. And then you got another 12-volt and change organizer down there. Very clean. Sunglass hut. Programs here for your garage door. So it's all there. If this is what you're looking for. These cars here are fun. You know, there's a lot of cars I drive, and a lot of them are kind of dinky and 4 cylinders and stuff. And this is just a solid ride. It's very solid. You know, they don't make too many automobiles like this anymore. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to assist you. And as always, thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you soon.